Yeah, hey folks, thanks for tuning in. This is Riverponics. This is our grow system. These are indoor-outdoor units. They're self-watering. It's a closed-loop system. You can do organic growing, other types of methods. There's a soilless mix I came up with that I also offer, but it's not on my website yet. Pretty much anything you see here is what I can offer for purchase. The tents, I can get the lights, grow bags, obviously the grow systems. This is my patented brewer. That's the vortex bucket I came up with that is sold separately for structuring water. That can be integrated with this system. A lot of different things I offer people, and I can customize and cater to your needs. This thing only runs on 40 watts, so really efficient. I have the Hidden Harvest grow lights here. I got 4 of these panels. They're each 36 watts. They're full spectrum LEDs. And then I also have a T5 in there. But everything seems to be doing real well. I'm really liking the light spectrums. Starting to get a lot of peppers. See here, I got 2 there. There's 2 more. There's 4. There's 5. 6, 7. There's 7 just on that plant alone, right there. Some big peppers back there, and there's more in the back coming in on that one. This here is the jalapeno in a bag. Remember when I started this? You can see now how it's doing. This is just worm castings in the bag. You have to forgive me, I've been under the weather for a week now. My voice is kind of shot. But you guys see this? Get back here. Bag of soil, remember? See the roots, man. Pretty cool. I'm not gonna disturb it yet. At some point I'll look and see if it's down in the grow channel yet as far as wicking, but yeah, jalapeno's got a nice structure on it, looking real good. This is the soilless mix here. The 1 gallons I just transplanted last week, and they've already doubled in size. There's the lettuce, really coming to life now. But yeah, these have, how big they've gotten just 1 week. This is the one growing in rock wool. Not real happy with it. It's got some leaves and stuff that just don't look right. So this is the bell pepper. Not doing as well as this is the soilless mix I came up with. I sell this stuff too, so you have to call me on that one. They'll email me. But here's the bell pepper in my soilless. See all the peppers on it? There's 4 of them right there already. That's my soilless media. There's 2 in the back there. That's soil, and the aloe vera is soil too. And then of course you got the bag of soil here growing, jalapeno. And then the rest of them are my soilless mix. So all right, there's your update. Thank you for watching.